Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete any Revolut transaction. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. And in case you haven't made a Revolut account yet, then you can simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description and sign up with the referral link to get yourself a bonus once you do so. Now, all you have to do is open your Revolut account, and then from here you're going to scroll down at the home page to see the transactions under your main account. Make sure you select the correct account. So for example, right now I'm on my personal USD, but we can switch to my personal Hungarian forints. And so we're going to scroll down. As you can see, there are many transactions right here. All you have to do is to go to the transaction that you would like, and now you can scroll to the left side and you can simply click on hide. And once you click on hide, the balance won't be affected, but the transaction will be gone. And so once you click on it, you can see all the details. And then once you check it, then you can simply do so and click on hide. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.